Thank you everybody who came to dance this morning. It's beautiful getting to see the little comments and flowing hearts as I'm teaching class. It helps me know that you're there and I'm really feeling the love. So thank you for being part of this. I want to say thank you to our regular participants. They're the ones that have paid for these regular classes. So I really see that they are the foundation of me being able to do this and share this with anybody who wants to come take class. And so today the focus was on the vertical line with the core of the body, how you can sense gravity down and electromagnetic up and out. And the intent is by grounding and sensing that vertical line, by the time we're stepping out of class, we hopefully can literally feel a little lighter and feel like we're floating up and out. This comes from one of the personalities of Nia called Nia Technique, movement from the head. So this can help your breathing, it can help your digestion. So as we call it in Nia, dance through life today, I invite you to sense your feet moving you from beneath and behind. Sometimes put your hand into the small of your back here and have that sense of being guided from behind rather than falling forwards, being pulled. Sense your vertical line that allows you to float with those two rings of air, the one around your waist and the one around your neck. And by doing that, I hope that it'll help you relieve any tension you have, particularly in your lower back and in your neck. And sense your periphery vision opening. Look out, look up, and I hope you have a fabulous day.